Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious brownies using dairy milk. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1/2 cup of packed brown sugar, and 1/2 cup of unsalted butter. Also, have 2 large eggs, 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, and 1/3 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder ready. Don't forget 1/4 teaspoon each of baking powder and salt, plus 1/4 cup of whole dairy milk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now let's mix the batter. First, melt your butter and combine it with both the granulated and brown sugars in a large bowl. Whisk in the 2 large eggs one at a time, ensuring each is fully incorporated. Next, stir in the vanilla extract and the 1/4 cup of dairy milk until the mixture is smooth. In a separate bowl, whisk together the flour, cocoa powder, baking powder, and salt. Gradually add these dry ingredients to your wet mixture, mixing until just combined. It's time to bake. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. While it heats, grease and flour an 8 by 8-inch baking pan thoroughly to prevent sticking. Carefully pour your brownie batter evenly into the prepared pan. Bake for approximately 25 to 30 minutes. To check for doneness, insert a toothpick into the center. It should come out with moist crumbs, not wet batter. Avoid overbaking to keep them perfectly fudgy. Almost there. Let your brownies cool completely in the pan for at least 30 minutes. This crucial step ensures they set properly and allows for clean, neat cuts. Once cooled, use a sharp knife to cut them into 16 even squares. For storage, place any leftover brownies in an airtight container at room temperature, where they will stay fresh for up to 3 days. Enjoy them plain or with a scoop of your favorite ice cream.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.